welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to know some expensive things in our world. So let's start our video with the fact number 1. Graf Diamonds Helicunacil watch has $55 million. Completed in 2014, the Helicunacil watch by London-based Graf Diamonds took several thousand hours of work and 110 carats to create. Report Money Inc. Sculptural masterpiece. The platinum quartz watch is encrusted in yellow, pink, blue, grey, orange diamonds in different colors. Fact number 2. 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO $70 million. In 2018, the vintage Italian sports car broke a record when Chicago's David McNeil, the founder and CEO of WeatherTech, bought it for $70 million. As CNN explains, it extremely rare for an owner to part with one at any price because only 39 were built by Ferrari between 1962 and 1964. At the time of McNeil's purchase, the auction chairman James Knight said, "The Ferrari 250 GTO is motoring market's equivalent of Van Gogh's Sunflowers. Who else owns the legendary vehicle?" Ralph Lauren, Pink Floyd drummer Nick Manson, and British billionaire Lord Anthony Bamford. Fact number 3. Bluefin tuna $3.1 million. Exporters are worried about the future of tuna, officially a threatened species. But we are still not sure if a single piece is worth a $3.1 million tag. Kiyoshi Kimura, a sushi restaurant owner, paid that much for a bluefin tuna at Japan's Toyoshu market in early 2019, reports Reuters. Fact number 4. This is related to India. Antilia Mumbai $2 billion house worth $2.3 billion. The richest man in India built this 4 lakh square foot home in Mumbai in 2012. Business tycoon Mukesh Ambani, his wife and 3 children enjoys 27 floors of earthquake-proof luxury home named after a mythical Atlantic island. Antilia has a 168 cars garage, spa, temple, 2-story rec center, 50-person theater, 3 helipads, garden terraces, bathrooms, ballrooms, and guest suites. Fact number 5. Malhan parking spot $1 million. Between 1978 and 2010, Manhattan lost 25,000 of street public parking spaces, reports Apartmentality, and developers can only include parking spots for about 20% of new residences. Reliable parking spot has quickly become the new standard for luxury in NYC. In 2015, a boutique Manhattan condo 15 Renwick sold 3 spaces for $1 million apiece. Fact number 6. Leonardo da Vinci's Silver Mundi painting $450 million. In 2017, Saudi Prince Badr bin Ulad bin Mohammed bin Faisal bought the Salvator Mundi, savior of the world, at the Christie's auction, shocking everyone in his final bid of $450 million. Is the Vanity Fair explains the last known Da Vinci painting is private hands, first sold for $60 in 1950. It had a home after the prince won the bidding war by telephone. Due for a September 2018 premiere at the Louvre, Abu Dhabi, Salvatore Mundi has reportedly been missing since around that time. The exhibit was postponed and Prince Badar does not seem too concerned. Fact number 7. The domains carinsurance.com $49.7 million. The tricking things about domains, most people don't report sales publicly, and domain names come and go every day to the tune of $1 million. However, many big sales have been revealed over the years, including carinsurance.com, explains GoDaddy. The domain sold for $49.7 million. Fact number 8. The Neiman Marcus limited edition fighter $11 million. Only 45 of the Neiman Marcus limited edition fighter motorcycles exist, with a carbon fiber frame and titanium features. This bike can hit 190 miles per hour. It first sold for $110,000, not so pricey comparatively. However, enthusiasts love the unusual design and body, the latter carved from a single piece of metal, now highly sought after. It's our street legal sci-fi dream come to life, as Neiman Marcus first explained. Fact number 9. Whittler's back graph diamond $80 million. Found in India during the 17th century, the deep blue diamond was first owned by Spain's King Philip IV and changed hands many times over the ages. In 2008, Christie's London auctioned the 36 carat diamond graph diamonds. Lawrence Graph won $24,311,191. Unhappily, with the stone's 25 flaws, the numerous chips and scratches, a result of its multiple settings changes over the past 360 plus years, he recorded it into a 31.06 carat diamond. Fact number 10. Hinstman crystal piano $3.22 million. Before this piano was retired and sold at auction for $3.22 million, the Hinstman crystal entertained the world at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. It may look too beautiful to play, but now it makes sweet music in the home of a private owner. Fact number 11. Azteca platinum liquor bottle by Tequila Le $3.5 million. The strongest and most expensive tequila in the world. Passion adds Teca costs so much because its bottle is made of platinum and white gold covered in nearly 6,500 diamonds. The tequila itself is a 4-year-old añejo, according to thrillist Fact number 12. Jumbo T206 Honus Wagner baseball card $3.12 million. The world record for a baseball card sales goes to the Jumbo Honus Wagner card from the American Tobacco Company's T206 series. The anonymous seller who bought it in 2013 for $2.1 million flipped it for $3.12 million 3 years later. Not a bad investment. So in this card, so coveted, only 3 American tobacco companies cards from this series are in circulation and in decent shape, explains Yahoo News. Plus, Wagner asked to be removed from the series. It is not clear if this was due to cigarette affiliation or a desire to make money elsewhere. Fact number 13. The expensive phone. iPhone 4 Diamond Rose Edition by Stutter Hugs $8 million. Hugs, an elite British designer, has tried to build a house out of gold. Of course, he would do the equivalent for an iPhone. The Apple logo is made of 53 diamonds. 500 diamond encrust the rose gold bezel of the device. A 7.4 carat pink diamond comprise the phone's navigation button. Only 2 of these 32G phones will be produced, according to Hugs. Gold mining mogul Tony says one of them. He keeps it in Hugs' exclusive chest made of a single block of imperial pink granite and lined with top-grained nubuck leather. Fact number 14. Alberto Giamatti's El Homme August sculpture $141.3 million. In 2015, a private owner sold this 6-foot bronze statue to Stephen A. Cohen, a hedge fund billionaire. Cohen's collection of modern and contemporary art is widely considered to be among the best in the world, reports Art News. The Swiss artist Alberto Giametti made 6 casts in Homme Audit, or the Pointing Man is one of them. 15. Fact number 15. The historical Supreme yacht $4.5 billion. Malaysia's wealthiest person, Robert Knox, owns the historic Supreme, a 100 foot long yacht made of solid gold, designed by UK's Stutter Hugs. The boat's master bedroom has a wall made of meteorites and a statue made from the bones of a T-Rex as Lux Habitat explains. The master suite is adorned with a 68 kg 24 karat gold Aqua Vista panoramic wall aquarium and the liquor bottle featuring a rare 18.5 carat diamond. If you think this video is useful for someone, then hit the like button, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon near it So guys, this much for today. I will meet you with some new facts. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.